Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to show number row on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Well, and then here you can see that the number row is not appear. Okay, and then to show it, you can click settings icon at the top. And then here you can select preference. Well, and then in this section, you can turn on the first option. Okay, and then the number row is successfully appeared. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show number row on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.